Introducing GetGreatTeethToday.com, America's first 100% video interactive printed dental directory, presented by Zaabble Media Group. We're inviting select major brands to pioneer the future of dental advertising as preferred premier partner sponsors. We revolutionize print media by merging video powered by Zaabble with QR codes and AI technology, transforming publications into fully interactive video platforms. To see this in action, pause now and scan the QR code on your screen and watch a video about this dynamic program. If our video has sparked your interest, now is the time to act to become a premier sponsor to ensure your place at the forefront of dental advertising innovation. Our sponsorship tiers, Gold, Silver, and Bronze, are limited to ensure exclusivity and maximize impact for our premier sponsors. As an added benefit, premier sponsors will receive enhanced bonus advertising exposure. As a token of our appreciation for your early commitment, we're offering exclusive bonus upgrades tailored to your sponsorship level. Enjoy prominent front and back cover brand recognition, product editorials, and complimentary full, half, and quarter-page ads. To secure your premier sponsorship, all we need is a letter of intent from your company. Once received, we'll provide all the necessary details to help you make an informed decision. We look forward to welcoming you into our family. Join us as we expand our reach, starting with 200,000 directories in South Florida and scaling up to over 1 million across 10 additional Florida markets. We're creating a new paradigm in dental advertising with a vision that extends nationwide, offering unmatched exposure for our premier sponsors as we invite them into this dynamic, transformative movement. Ready to elevate dental advertising to the next level? Contact Randy Perini, publisher, at 786-344-4413 or email us at publisher@getgreatteethtoday.com to join us and gain unparalleled visibility and engagement. Together, we'll revolutionize dental advertising one video at a time.